Good day, all of you, wherever you're watching from. Today, I'm going to show you how I did this amazing effect right here. So, as you can see, this image and this, they're not the same thing. This one is just nice looking, normal day guy, but this is extra. This is beautiful. This can be used for poster design, and that's the whole idea about this because creating image for poster design is very important. So this is the image of me. Okay, so I decided to use it for this tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how I did this, then I'm just going to drop this off. So you might be asking me how I did this, and I'm just going to show you by duplicating this image using Ctrl J. So the thing I did is using a plugin called Topaz, and this plugin is wonderful. It's very nice. Shout out to them. So I used their plugin in creating this image and making it look poster ready, so I can use the image and design any poster I fit in, though I look like a politician here. So first of all, you have to go to the filter after installing the Topaz Lab. Go to their website, download. At the time of recording this is free, so but I don't know for now. So now I just have to choose Topaz Adjust 5. There are so many other things here in Topaz plugin, so but I just have to use this one for this tutorial today. So you go into Topaz Adjust, then we wait for it to open. Okay, sorry, it's taking time to open. Now a quick reminder: when you are doing this with image that are the background is complex, you have to trim the image, okay, so that because this plugin kind of calculate the environment and give you the final details of what you want to see or what the image is all about. So I advise you to, if you want a cleaner look, trim it. But if your image is not strong enough, don't trim. Do this after you trim, because if you do that, the edge will be distorted and you have this so many artifacts around the edge. So I don't want to feel that. I bet you. So now when we open this Topaz Adjust 5, then when I hover here, you see different look. We're having different look right now on this image. You can see this crepes, and you can see this color blast, you can see this ghost, you can see the dark night, you can see details, you can see detail strong. So between this detail and detail strong, okay, so that is where I made my choice. Okay, so now I have to choose between detail and detail strong. Now if I go to detail, you see there's something weird at the at my forehead, okay, where my hair is being carved. So there's something weird with the details. So now you can choose the detail and play with the adjustments here, okay, to get, if you love detail. Okay, now this dramatic also, okay, so you can see dramatic is also nice. So but I did not want to use dramatic because it's kind of affecting the suit. Okay, so I choose detail strong. Okay, now if I want to make adjustment, I can just go here and maximize it, as you can see. Then you can play with the region here, how I want the region to look. You can play with the contrast, where I want to load the contrast or make it come up. You can play with the brightness if you want to make it bright, or you can just reduce it. You can see. So you have to play with this, and you know what you want. You have to, okay, protect shadow. Then if you come here where the noise is, you have to you can suppress the noise amount, increase the noise amount. You come to the color, decently add saturation, color regions, and boost the saturation. You see, I can boost it here, but you can, if everything goes south, you can just press the reset button and everything will come back. Then you just have to come here again and choose. Okay, So you just have to come here again and choose where I want detail, or you can just stick to your uh detail strong. Okay, so and everything will come back to the normal setting it was. Then you can just press OK. So now this image is now looking sharp, strong, and poster ready. Okay, and you can use this plugin to create any image and use it for the poster you want to use, and it's very very nice, very cool. Okay, and I will show you how to use this to do many other things in the future, but this is just the little I want to show you for now. So please, our movie is short movie is out. It's called Clash of Power. Go check it out if you have not watched the movie. It's a nice one. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be dropping more tutorial on Photoshop and every other package, so please don't forget to click the notification button to always get more updates in what we are doing. See you next time in my next video. Bye.